And thank you for joining us for a lesson on solve equations with a variable on each side. I always want to get the variables and constants on opposite sides, so I subtract 15 here to get rid of that constant 8x minus, so that would be negative 160. Doesn't matter what order I do it, but as you can see in this one, I'm ending up with all negatives, which makes it a little bit harder for some people because I'm negative egg. So I'm going to get negative 10x is equal to negative 160 divided by negative 10. Now, since it doesn't matter what order what side I put the variables on the constants, I'm going to make sure in the future that I always send my constants away from the biggest variable. So I'm going to send the constants away from 12 by adding 3 to both sides. See, so that's 12x, that's 0, that's 5x, and that's 21, yeah. Okay, now subtract 5x minus 5x. You can see I'm going to end up with a positive variable, which is a lot easier. Positive 7x equals 21. It's easier to send the constants away from the biggest variables. That's x is equal to 3. Still get the answer, do it either way, but some people find this easier. Now let's look at a problem involving distributive property. Here I have 8 distributed to 2t, 8 distributed to 2 equals 1/4 distributed to 20t and 1/4 distributed to 40. So now I'm going to do that operation. 8 times 2 is 16t. That's 16. 1/4 times 20 is the same as 4 divided by 20. So that's 5t. 1/4 divided by 40, or 1/4 multiplied by 40 is the same as 4 divided by 40. Now I'm going to move away the constants away from the biggest variable, biggest positive variable, by adding 16 to both sides. So 16t, see, that cancels out. I've got 5t is equal to positive 6. Now I'm going to bring the variable over to meet it. 5t on both sides, always keeping it balanced, so that's 11t, okay, 11t equals 6. I'm going to divide by the coefficient of t. In this case, it's 11, divide by 11 on both sides, so that's 1. So t is equal to 6/11. That's a fraction that can't be simplified. So t is equal to 6/11. Okay, thank you for joining us for a lesson on solving equations with a variable on each side. Now go get your homework done.